Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. You know what time it is. It's that corn out there. Time to get it harvested. There's gonna be 4 videos on this just like it always is. Stick along for the ride. Hopefully everything runs smooth. Best part of all, we're running a Drago corn head. We're not running a deer corn head like all them losers out there. Nope, we're running Drago. Fueling, check. Greasing, check. Gearboxes, check. Drive lines, check. Gathering chains, check. Header height, check. Yeah, we're good. I think we're about ready. Oh yeah, that's a nice setup. Drago 630 on 9400, 8310 on 705 Parker. Ready to gobble up this stuff. So basically the field arrangement for this year is we have like a 12-acre spot here and then like a 50-some acre on the other side of the road, up the road. And it's the last time it was, this arrangement was like 2021. 2021 was the last time we did this, so it's been a little bit, but I think he'll come back to us pretty easily. This stuff's dry, ready to harvest. So, all on the road. Ladies and gentlemen, first pass into the field, Olamach Drago. Good corn head, by the way. Taking our first pass in. Stuff so far is yielding pretty decent on these end rows. We're just gonna keep picking. Get stuff set, checking to make sure we're not getting any loss on the ground. We always want to do that. We're doing a loaded shutdown. And you can see it's doing a pretty good job chopping all that stuff. Everything seems to be working on the corn head itself. So I think we're gonna keep going. Looking pretty good down there. Oh yeah. There's still moisture in those stalks right there. How we doing? Anything left on these cobs? No? Doing pretty good there. Here's a full cob. It's doing a great job. Now we just gotta do the rest of all this. Alright, we're gonna finish these end rows and take the ones up the end. I'm gonna run this wagon up to the field road. So let's do this. I'm waiting here for more dumps of corn. I don't know when I'm gonna get them, but we'll get them soon. plan, we're gonna fill the wet bin with as much corn as we can. I already set up the dryer setup with the 56-foot Westfield auger, 26-foot Westfield auger, a few other things that help run the dryer setup. I'll show you everything again for this year. I show you every year, but I'm gonna show you the setup again. And then after we fill the bin, we're gonna start the dryer. Well, first we gotta transfer some corn out of our cooling bin, which is known as the Chief bin, because it's the first grain bin on the farm and it's made by the Chief company. We're going to take that, put that, we're going to put the corn in there. We're going to take the corn out of there, put it in our other Mikata bin, Mikata hopper is what that is. And then we're going to fill the cooling bin with the corn that we're picking now after we've dried it. So, hope that wasn't too confusing. Like 18%, so you're gonna need a few points dried off of it. All right, wagon's empty, heading back out into the field. Alright, dumping another load. As you can see, we're making progress on this ground. You can see the farmstead up there. And you can see the bales down there. So yeah, we're slowly making this land see-through. And the neighbor still has to get to his corn, but that's fine. Man, I can't emphasize enough how much that head has helped us get our corn harvest done smoothly. It's a good corn head. To any other YouTube farmers or any farmer out there that's out there harvesting right now, who might be watching this, I would say I would look into a Drago corn head. You will not regret the purchase. It's a purchase that you will benefit from tremendously. And there come the neighbors. Yeah, so that's our neighbors, Tom and Bill. They're harvesting up the road at one of their fields, and they run a really nice Case IH 7240 combine and 3 John Deere tractors and a Brent wagon. It's pretty neat setup to have. Yeah, 3 John Deere tractors and Brent wagons and a grain cart. So pretty neat. Looking pretty good. I love the look of a freshly harvested cornfield in this tractor right here. Alright, he just got done dumping some corn on me, so he's gonna go back and keep working on that over there. So, oh, wait a minute, what's that? Oh, it's Drago. right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.